Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a vocabulary practice test. Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the correct answer to replace each underlined part. Grandma is a kind person, so she is well respected by everyone. Which word replaces the word kind? The correct option is A. Good-hearted. Question 2. Please swim only in the water that is not deep, said mother. Which word replaces the phrase not deep? The correct option is A. Shallow. Question 3. Mrs. Alex is never happy with what she has. The correct option is B. Dissatisfied. Question 4. They do it on their own free will without being paid. The correct option is A. Volunteer. Question 5. The man was warned to show up in court. The correct option is B. Appear. Question 6. The person who betrayed the country lived in regret. The correct option is B. Traitor. Question 7. I take the dirty clothes to the washing machine. The correct option is A. Laundry. Question 8. The government will think about our suggestions. The correct option is A. Consider. Question 9. I met Sam while I was having a picnic. The correct option is B. Ran into. Question 10. Max did not say whether he would come or not, but I presume he will come. The correct option is A. Suppose. Question 11. Fill in the blank with the correct word. Adam uses a dash to dig a hole. The correct option is B. Spade. Question 12. A or an dash is a sea creature. The correct option is B. Octopus. Question 13. I was dash the permission. The correct option is C. Granted. I was granted the permission. Question 14. There is a dash of a fish in the river. The correct option is B. School. There is a school of fish in the river. Question 15. It is very dash to dirty the beach. The correct option is C. Selfish. It is very selfish to dirty the beach. Question 16. Why are you so dash? There is nothing to be afraid of, said Mary. The correct option is A. Timid. Why are you so timid? There is nothing to be afraid of, said Mary. Question 17. The man was finally found dash of first degree murder. The correct option is B. Guilty. Question 18. The farmer uses a dash to plow the field. The correct option is A. Plow. The farmer uses a plow to plow the field. Question 19. A dash of geese flew across the sky in a V formation. The correct option is A. Skein. Question 20. The teacher dashed the importance of punctuality. The correct option is C. Emphasized. The teacher emphasized the importance of punctuality. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.